Hey guys, my name is Bryce, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy StorageLink from the Google Cloud Marketplace. Once you're inside the Google Cloud Marketplace, use the search bar and search for StorageLink. Then navigate to our product offering. Click Get Started, then check the box for the terms and agreements. Then click Agree. Now that you've successfully agreed to the terms, you can click Deploy. After clicking Deploy, you'll be brought to the StorageLink deployment configuration page. Here, you can configure things such as the deployment name, the machine type, and the firewall rules. First, configure a deployment name. Then, make sure the zone and the machine type are to your specifications. Since the only thing we're storing on the disk is the operating system and any log files generated, you can leave the boot disk size as the default. Under networking, you can select the network and subnetwork you would like StorageLink to be created in. You also have the ability to use an already existing IP address for StorageLink, or if you just want to create a new IP address, leave the external IP setting to ephemeral. Finally, we can configure the firewall rules. StorageLink uses three main ports: the web ports HTTP and HTTPS, and port 22, which is the SSH port. For the HTTP and HTTPS firewall rules, set the source IP ranges to 0.0.0.0/0. Since the StorageLink sign-in page and interface are on the web ports, you'd want to open them to the world. The alternative to this would be define the IP address of every single user and specify them in the firewall rules for HTTP and HTTPS. For the port 22 rule allowing SSH traffic, you'd want to set the source IP range to your IP address or to the IP address of any sysadmins managing the site. Once you've successfully configured the firewall rules, click Deploy to create your StorageLink configuration. Navigate to the site address in a new tab. Here, you'll be brought to the Setup and Login Instructions page. As the name implies, this page shows you how to access the StorageLink interface, and if you scroll down, there are also some instructions for how to install a valid SSL certificate. Scroll back up and then use the Click Here link to access the StorageLink interface. You'll be met with this "Your connection isn't private" message, since currently the site is configured with a self-signed SSL certificate. To get past this message, click Advanced and click Continue to IP address. Here, you'll be prompted to create the first admin account for StorageLink. So, enter in a valid username and password, and then click Create Account. After your admin has been created, you can sign in using the same credentials you just made. After signing into StorageLink, you'll be met with a pop-up message asking you to configure default storage. Click OK to get rid of the pop-up message. Then enter your bucket name and path. For the cloud credentials, you have the option to use an attached service account, or if you select Create New Credentials, you can use a service account JSON key file. Both options require a little bit of setup, so we provided article links in the description detailing how to configure both approaches. However, for this example, I'll be using a service account JSON key file. After configuring the bucket and cloud credentials, you can use the Test Connection button at the bottom to check the validity of your connection. Once everything looks good, you can click Save. As you can see, I currently only have one file in my directory. If I were to navigate to this location in cloud storage, it would reflect this view. If I go back to StorageLink and upload a new file, then go back to cloud storage and refresh the page, it would reflect the addition of a new file. You've now successfully connected StorageLink to your Google Cloud Storage bucket. That's all for this video. If you haven't already, please check out our other Thorn Technologies related videos and content, and, as always, have a splendid day.